Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debbie and you are watching Just Debbie Marie. So today you guys, I will be doing a flexi rod set for the first time. So if you guys want to see how I make it through this process, stay tuned. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Please remember to give this video a like if you've been enjoying my content. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, as the likes really do help. Also, I want to remind you guys to check out the previous video on my channel, and also I have another channel called Yardness that I would love for you guys to check out. So if you guys are watching today, I want you guys to leave some kind of hairstyling, hair combing, hair washing emoji in the comment box below to let me know that you're rocking with me for this entire video. Alright you guys, so recently I put on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram at Just Debbie Marie, please remember to go ahead and follow me over there if you'd like. I did put out a question asking you guys what you guys would like to see, and somebody actually suggested for me to do a rod set. Now if you know me and you've been rocking with Just Debbie Marie for a while, you know that I'm a big wash and go person. I don't really do a lot of styles, but in my hair update at the start of this year, I said that that's one of the things that I wanted to do, which was to incorporate some more hairstyles in my video. So I want to big up Sam for recommending me to do a rod set. So the one that I chose to do today is a flexi rod set. I have some flexi rods here. I've had them for like years now, to be honest. I've had some of them since I've been relaxed, because I used to use them a lot when I was like transitioning. When I was relaxed, I actually used to like relax my hair like once a year. So I used to use the flexi rods to kind of give my hair some, you know, volume and something and thing. And yeah, I think they really worked for me during that time. But you know me and the rod set. If you guys haven't seen my perm rod set, I'll put it in the cards for you and in the description, because that never looked good to me. But you know, we're gonna try again. You know, we're gonna try again with some flexi rods. These are all the flexi rods that I have. Hopefully all of them can do my hair. So I'm actually also gonna be using only one product to style my hair in this video, and the product is called the Zimii Hydrating Foaming Mousse. Now you guys probably hear me talk about Zimii products a lot. It's a Jamaican brand and they're very affordable. So yeah, I decided to try this foaming mousse. A lot of people have been raving and talking about it, and honestly I think that mousse is a good idea when it comes on to rod sets. Don't think I used a mousse when I did my perm rod set. I think because I am only going to use a mousse, I'm hoping that it dries very quickly, and also that it has hold and it has shine. I did get this in Discount Beauty in Halfway Tree for $650 plus tax. So I'm hoping that this really brings the whole style to life and brings it together, because I don't do flexi rods. So if you guys have been watching my styling videos for a while, you would have realized that I have stopped styling my hair on like freshly washed hair, and instead I do the whole shampoo wash day process, and then I put my hair in twists with some leave-in, and then I style at another time. So today that's no different. I mean, I feel like for the kind of rod set that I'm doing, where you know it may take a while to dry, I think it was a good idea, or it is a good idea, for me to start on hair that has already been washed. I did have put a leave-in in there, so hopefully it's not too dry. So I'm basically going to be working in these 4 sections that I have. So I'm just going to clip away the 3 that I'm not using and try to work on this section. Honestly guys, I'm not really sure how big or how small I'll be doing the sections. I'm just really going to wing it, and I always like to start from the back. So I don't know how much I'm going to use. I think I have 2 different sizes in terms of flexi rods. And I also have my section clips as usual that you know I use a lot, and I have my detangling brush, and I also have a rat tail comb. I see a lot of people use this to smooth their hair. I don't know if I'll use it, but I just have it on hand just in case. So yeah, this is what my first section is looking like. It does feel a little bit dry, to be honest, because I did wash my hair like maybe 4 days ago. So yeah, it does feel a little bit dry, but I'm not going to be adding any water. I'm literally only going to be using the mousse. So I'm going to just I guess take out this much. I don't know if this is big or small, and just kind of catch up the rest, put the rest out the way so it doesn't get tangled in what I'm doing. And I'm gonna take the mousse now. Alright, and I don't know if that's enough, like, I don't know, but we'll see. And oh, it smells, it has a smell like an old school product. I don't know what product it reminds me of, but it has a smell like an old school product. I think I'm gonna need some more. And then I'm just gonna try to detangle my hair. I think I need to add some more on my ends because they're dry, honey. They're dry bad. I think I'm gonna start with the bigger set of Flexi Rods. I don't know what inch this is, but this is the bigger of the two sizes I have, and I think I'm gonna start from the end. Probably I should comb it out, smooth it out one more time, because I think people say the key to a very good rod set is smoothing your hair. So I'm gonna start from the end. Wow. I think I need to smooth my ends a little bit more. Child, this is hard, because I know that they say your ends need to be like really smooth on the rod in order for your style to come out good. And then I'm just gonna spiral it up basically right to the top, and then I'm gonna just hook it like so. I mean, I hope that looks okay. Let me try to do another one. Alright, so those are the first two. I'm gonna just do my whole head, come back and show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished. Okay, you guys, so I have done most of it off camera, and I have one left. To be honest, it wasn't that bad to roll. I'm just hoping that it comes out like good. So I'm just gonna roll this last one. I think it takes you like a while to kind of get into the rhythm of like rolling it and setting it in a particular way. This is what it looks like so far. I mean, I feel like it looks good, but you know, we're gonna see when it dries. Hopefully it dries in good time. So I just wanted to just reiterate what I've been doing, because I realized in the beginning I didn't really explain fully. So first, I realized while doing it that I have to use a lot of foam, because my hair does dry out very quickly. So I need to use a lot of foam on it. Yeah, and then after I do that, I just comb it through first with my brush, my detangling brush. So this is what I do first. And for the most part, it's easy to comb through because I'm working in small sections. So after I do that now, just for extra smoothing, I use my rat tail comb. And then, I think I want my hair to fall this way. So I'm going to put it this way. I want it to kind of be like a side part. So I'm putting most of the hair on this side, so it would fall on this side. So then I just smooth it on the roller, make sure that the hair is smooth. So look at it to make sure the hair is smooth, guys. I hope this turned out good, and I hope the method that I've been using actually works. And then I basically wrap the first wraps that I do, I basically wrap them on top of each other so that I can get the hair secure on the rod. And then when I'm rolling it up, I kind of spiral it. So if you guys can notice, hopefully you can see, I'm just spiraling it up the rod. And I think that should give me a more like elongated look, to be honest. So I roll it tight as well, so I hold it as tight as possible. And I crunch the top part here, and then I just fold the bottom part to secure it. This is what my completed hair looks like, or completed head looks like. I'm not sure of the exact amount that I put in my hair, but I do have 2 rollers left. But when I pull out my hair, I will count the rollers and put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can know how many I actually used. I don't think I did very big sections, and I don't think I did small sections. I probably did like medium sections. So I'm just hoping for the best, guys. I'm gonna leave this in for maybe a day or so. Honestly, because I used a mousse, I think that it shouldn't take long to dry. Mousses are more lighter products, and you guys know that if you've been watching me for a while, I use very heavy products on my hair. So maybe that's why maybe in the past, like the First Rod Set that I did before, it didn't dry. But I'm hoping that it dries and it comes out like really nicely, cause I'd be annoyed if it came out as a fail again. So I'm gonna let this air dry, because I don't have like a hoodie dryer. So I'm just gonna let it air dry and just hope for the best. So yeah, you guys can go and say a prayer right in this section of the video until we come back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna be taking down these flexi rods. I honestly hope that they're dry and that they come out good and they won't look like a mess. So I'm gonna start from the back. I think this would have been the first one that I installed, and I'm just gonna roll it out like this and see how it looks. Okay. Alright guys, so it was really simple to take down. I'm going to separate and fluff off camera just so that I can see what I'm doing, like be looking in a mirror to be able to see that I'm separating as carefully as possible. So I'm gonna do that and then come back. Okay you guys, so I have returned after fluffing and separating, and this is the final look. Honestly, it's very different for me. It's extremely different for me because, you know, I'm just used to the really defined like wash and go curls, but it's super different. Like, I asked my husband how it looks and he's like, wow, it looks really cute, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. I mean, it did dry 100%. It was not wet none at all, but I don't know if I like it, guys. I feel like I'm kind of like in between. I try to fluff it and separate it as much as possible and kind of slip my edges and stuff to just kind of make me feel it a little more, but I don't know if I feel it, people. I'm not sure if I'm feeling it. So these are the results. so you guys can let me know what you think about this style. Give me a rate in the comments and let me know if you're liking it, if you're not, if you think I should try it again. But right now, people really feel like saying rods is just not my thing at all. But you guys can let me know how you feel about this rod set in the comments below. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Debbie Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe and give this video a huge like if you have enjoyed it. Remember to comment and leave some kind of hair washing, hair cutting, hair styling emoji in the comments to let me know that you are rocking with me for the entire video. Also, I want to remind you to check out the previous videos on my channel and also my playlist and my other channel called Yardments. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.